What's going on, everybody? Today I went to TNT Fireworks and spent $100 and I got all of this right here. So we're gonna take a look at everything and then light them all off. We got this little guy right here for $2.40 called Game Mode. 2 of these majestic unicorn cones. One of my favorites here, we have Bottle of Sparks. This one's gonna have really loud crackle. Icebreaker, a new one for this year with really awesome blue effects. Eternal Eruption, a new fountain that claims it goes for 3 minutes. And for the grand finale, we have Martian Man, a new one for this year with glowing eyes and sprays that come out of the sides. Now, let's take them out to Pat's house and light them all off. First one of the show, we have Game Mode by TNT. You see, nice little colors there. This one's only $2.40. Ooh. I think it's about to kick into some crackle. Woo! That smoke is blowing right at me. Woo! Here we go. Nice little guy for the price. Second fountain, we have Bottle of Sparks. This one is 70% off this year. I got it for only $8.70. Should be some loud crackle. That is bright red. Yeah. Not bad for under $10. If you guys like Purple Rain, you're definitely gonna like this one. It's like a big blue version of it. Oh yeah, those are flying everywhere. Damn. Very nice. Get some crackle in here too. That was nice. All right, we got the majestic unicorn cones. We're doing both at once. We got Pat on lighter number 2. Got me on lighter number 1.
Polar bear loves unicorns.
Light it up, Pat! Get it, Pat! No! Oh, he still got it. Pat's fearless. All right, both got some little silver sprays here. Let's see how high they get. Okay, not bad. That one's still trucking. Lasting a lot longer than the other one. Man, he lit it after the other one too and went way longer. Those didn't get as high as I expected, but not bad at $8 each. Love those unicorns?
Not as much as the polar bear did. This one goes for 12 minutes. Here we go.
We got the Eternal Eruption. This is a new one for this year for $29.99. See if it actually goes for 3 minutes like it said. We have some bright green, guys. We go around here. Pretty good. A little over a minute in now. Nice. That's getting pretty high. Let's see, we got a little pause between the tubes here. That kind of cheats a little bit. Cheats for the duration. There we go, some yellowish green coming out. Got a lot of repeat effects in this one, but it's pretty good so far. Yeah, that was pretty cool. So we got 2 tubes at once here. Man, still going. This one is pretty good, guys. Another pause, or is that it? I think that's it, guys. That one didn't quite go for 3 minutes, but we're still pretty good. For the grand finale, we have Martian Man, which is new for this year. It's gonna have glowing eyes and tubes that come out of the sides. Here we go. Some purple come out of the top with the gold spray. Really excited to see the sparks come out of the sides. Not bad. Woo! Oh, there goes the eyes. You can kind of see it. It's got glowing eyes there. Pretty sick. Here we go. Whoa. Where's the other side at? Huh, it's just shooting out of that side. There we go. Yeah, that caught me off guard. Oh, that was pretty awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more firework videos.
Remember to wet your fireworks after they lit them. They call me the fireman.
Oh yeah.